can we just get into how beautiful these soaps look? Cheers. You know, us Brits, we love our tea. Just to rest upon his promise, just to know thus saith the Lord. Said Jesus, Jesus, hello my beautiful Julsz, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you are enjoying these frequent upload. Well, I say frequent, but well, they're actually frequent compared to what I used to do. So you get 2 videos a week. I hope you are enjoying them, and thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much to everyone that has been commenting, everyone that has been watching. Like, I really appreciate you guys. You know, big up on a nice clean self. Obviously, there's not really much going on in my life at the moment, but you know, one day my life will get busy and I'll have more exciting content for y'all. But for right now, just enjoy the simplicity of life. Get me? That's all I can say to you guys. Just enjoy the simplicity of life. I'm just in the kitchen cooking right now. I'm making brown stew chicken and fried dumpling. I'm gonna obviously put on the vegetable for me and mummy. I might have a bit of dumpling today though, because although I had said no, no, it's a no rice July, I didn't say it's a no fried dumpling July. Get me? So sis is gonna eat a dumpling if she wants. Get me? Yeah, so gonna make that cook down. I just added the carrots and such. So yeah, these need to go back in the fridge. But yeah, I'll show you my dinner once it's ready, guys. I just thought I'd come on camera to see what's up, what's good, what's crack-a-lacking, and I will see you soon, okay? Hey my Julsz, welcome back to another video. Cheers. You know, us Brits, we love our tea. That's actually a lie, because I didn't really used to drink tea until as of recently, because I found out the benefits of different teas. Like, if you were on my Instagram, I think about a year or 2 ago, no, it couldn't be 2 years by now, I think it's a year ago, you'd have heard me speak about our tartar tea. That's what really helped me maintain. Obviously I'm losing weight now, but I mean, like, our tartar tea has got so many benefits in it that it's really helped me to just maintain the weight off. Like, even I might gain like a pound or 2, but it's never gonna pass 5 pounds, because this tea, baby, it keeps me in check. Okay, we used to sell it when the business was the Pretty Girl Vibes. We haven't put it back on the market just yet, but it might come back depending on demand. But let me tell you, this tartar tea keeps me in check, and it ain't like a Chinese tea that's gonna hurt your belly. No ma'am. And I've got another little tea in here just to give it a bit of flavor, you know, experiment with my tea. So cheers me Julsz. I'm just gonna have a bit of tea. To be honest, it's not even hot anymore because it's been sitting there for a little while. So I'm just gonna write in my little to-do, well, let's call it a to-do book, because that's what I need to do. So I did yesterday. This is today's list. So I'm gonna go through the list and see what I can actually tick off. I've got a lot to do, to be honest, before the night is over. So I don't know how much vlogging I'm gonna get done. I need to really be focused. I need to be getting it boom 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 boom. I've already seen something on my list today that I'm gonna move over to tomorrow, because I don't know if I can write that tonight. Get me? So ooh, okay, so I've done that. That is a big tick. Yes, I've done that. I've also done that. I'm actually so happy. Like, I want to finish reading the Bible before the year is finished. I know that's a big, like, a massive task because there's so many books in the Bible. I've just finished reading Numbers. Let me tell you, Numbers took me so long to finish. I'm not too sure why it took me so long. I think within myself it was a bit like I weren't finding the joy of it. Like, I did, to be honest, I didn't really understand Numbers like that. So I think one day I'll have to obviously revisit it. But I'm very excited to announce that I'm now on Deuteronomy. Like, I've been waiting to get to this book because this book is about faith, and you know, I can't wait to just dive in, honey. So I'm on Deuteronomy, so I'm quite excited about that. Okay, so I got that done. And I'm going through bad. Got that done. I need to do this. This is important. Because tomorrow I'm going to the post office, so I need to do a few things. Like, I've got some orders to package. I know I've got that to do before the night finishes. I've got few things to get done and did and whatever. So I've got a very packed night, to be honest. Let's see. Let me do tomorrow's list. So this is what I've had to do. I try to see what I've got done by the evening hours and just tick off whatever. Then I'll just move on. Because as I said, this is what the page looks like, you know. This is what it looks like. So you see it says like this, main objective. Yeah, so I'm gonna write to main objective, get things done. I'm always writing that. But at the moment that is what I want to do. Get things done. And I slap a little date. So tomorrow, tomorrow is this date. The first thing I need to do is obviously, so the task for tomorrow is tomorrow ship package or ship parcels. Yeah. Tomorrow I want to try and braid my hair tomorrow. However, that might actually move over to the following day as well, because obviously braiding your hair is not a 1-2 minute thing, you get me? So that's that. I'm really trying to fit in my Bible in my day every single day, trying to do my devotions every single day as well. I haven't really got any main things to do as such tomorrow. I think tomorrow is going to be like a relaxed day. Let me just write it in this book. So relaxed day, exclamation mark. If I think of anything that I need to do, then I obviously write it in. The only thing I wish this book came with, I wish it came with like a doodle page where you could like write little notes or write little grocery lists. I need to make like a grocery list of things that I need, that I know is upcoming. But yeah, me Jules, I'm going to show you dinner. Then after dinner, I'm going to show you me packaging a few orders. If I don't come back, I'll definitely be back tomorrow. I think tonight might be a bit too busy for me to come back on the vlog, but if I can squeeze the vlog in, I definitely will. If not, then you'll definitely see me tomorrow. So I'll just join the two vlogs together. But yeah, cheers. I'm gonna look at my food, okay? Can we just get into how beautiful these soaps look? Like, let's not play. The pink ones are for us, like for us to use. The yellow and pink one are for sale. So If you've never bought a yoni soap from us, then sis, I don't know what you're playing with, but you need to get one of these. They are the best yoni soap on the market, hands down. Check our reviews. Morning, my Julsz. As you can see, it's the next day and my hair is rooted up, everything like that. But yeah, I'm gonna be packaging some orders right now, then I'm gonna hit the road to send off the orders, and I'm gonna meet one of my customers with her order and then make my way back home. Today's gonna be pretty much like a chilled out day. There's not really much going on. I wanted to go to the gym, but obviously the time I woke up is not conducive to me going to the gym anymore. So I think a gym will probably be tomorrow. Whether I record gym or not, I'm not too sure, because to be honest, I don't know, but when I go to the gym, I'm a little bit shy, because like to me it feels like everyone kind of knows what they're doing, but I'm like a newbie to the gym. Like, I don't really know much. Or I used to go to the gym quite often when I was younger, but that was years ago. So I just used the treadmill, the arm thing. I think it's called an arm press, but don't quote me on that. Then I used the hip abduction and hip adduction machine, the leg press, and I'm out of there. Obviously I would love to use a few more equipments, but oh my gosh, it's hard, man. I wish I had like a gym buddy, someone that lived nearer to me that we could go gym together. I think I'll feel a bit more confident in using the machines, but me going by myself, honey, like, you have everyone watching you, like, it's just a bit long. So I just use my little machines, use the treadmill, and I cut. And then when I get home, if I do remember, then obviously I'll do my squats at home. But I need to be more consistent with this exercise routine. My body's kind of freeze up right now because I went to the gym like back to back this week. So my back, my leg, like, I'm in a bit of pain. I'm a bit sore. But obviously when you're working out, you're using weights and whatever, that is expected. So hopefully by tomorrow I feel a bit better, and then I can go to the gym. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so I'm just gonna package some order now. I'm gonna show you not really how I package it, because there's already a video on there. I don't want to obviously bore you guys, but I might just show you when I finish packaging the orders, like what they look like. So yeah, stay tuned and I will see you in the next clip, my Julsz. Oh my gosh, and I forgot to even introduce myself. You know, by now you should know me. But anywho, and for those that don't know me, I'm Julsztymm, and over here we have a good time all the time. And yeah, so I will see you in the new clip. Hey, me Julsz.